As a trader, we all look for tight or low spreads, which helps us to get in and out of the market. Using the right broker can help us try different strategies. With multiple options of brokers on the web, here at Stocksnipertrading, we have a recommended broker, that is, HankoTrade. With spreads as low as 0 pips and leverage up to 500x, HankoTrade is just one click away. With multiple account types to choose from, you also have a minimum deposit of $10. Using HankoTrade's affiliate program, refer a friend and earn up to a 40% commission on trading volume. Built by traders, for traders. HankoTrade.
Welcome to Stocksnipertrading. In today's tutorial, we will be going over and introducing the Gravestone Doji Candlestick. The Gravestone Doji Candlestick is described by the open, low, and close prices equal or very close to each other, while the high of the period is significantly higher than the former three. This creates the upside down T shape that is easily identified by technical traders. The Gravestone Doji opens and it opens with bullish momentum, where we have buying momentum increasing the candlestick price all the way up to the high, where we reach a level of resistance, where we do encounter some selling pressure, where the sellers push the price during the end of the time frame all the way back down, where they close it virtually equal to where we opened. And this is the Gravestone Doji, and it is very bearish in nature. We do need, however, additional bearish confirmation candles in order to continue the bearish trend. The Gravestone Doji candlestick pattern is seen as an indecision candle. It is a momentum pause candle. The open and close are virtually equal. It looks like an upside down capital T. It is found in areas of consolidation or areas of resistance, and it is a clue that sellers have taken control. On the left, we can see that we have an area of price action where buying momentum pushes the price up to a level of resistance, where we do encounter some selling pressure. The sellers push this candle all the way down to where it virtually opened, and it is easily identifiable with the long upper wick, and it looks like an upside down capital T, where the opening price pushed it all the way up. However, near the end of the time frame, we encountered heavy selling pressure, where they pushed it all the way down to where it opened. Now we are looking for additional bearish confirmation candles to reverse the uptrend to a new downtrend. Let's take a look at an example of a Gravestone Doji candlestick from our Trading View charts. And in this particular example, we are looking at the USD JPY pair, and we are on the 60-minute time frame, where each individual candlestick is 60 minutes to form. We have a bearish downtrend. We can see price action making lower lows and lower highs. And we reach B, a level of consolidation, where we have some sideways trading action. And C, this consolidation is happening at the area of support, where we do get some buying momentum, where buyers are pushing the price up to D, where we encounter a resistance level, where we're starting to get price action rejected by long upper wicks, where price action is consolidating in this little range from 104.44 to 104.525. And E, we get a long upper rejection wick, which represents sellers, and F, we get the bearish close at the open. This is our Gravestone Doji candlestick that is formed, and it is giving us a clue that the uptrend may be reversing and continuing the downtrend. The Gravestone Doji opens and we encounter initial buying momentum, which pushes the price all the way up to where we reach a new level of resistance, where we get additional sellers pushing the price down at the E, the long upper rejection wick, where the sellers have momentum near the end of the hourly time frame, and they push the price all the way down to where it virtually opened. Now we are looking for a continuation bearish candle, which will continue to go down and make lower lows and lower highs, breaking previous support levels. And as we do this in that area of consolidation, we have sellers pushing the price down. However, there is still some buying momentum, but has not really broken that D, that previous resistance level. And in G, we finally get our bearish continuation, where the sellers do take control and we break previous support levels, particularly C, and we do now have new lower lows and lower highs, where we continue our bearish momentum and sellers are in full control. And this was all identified by the Gravestone Doji Candlestick. Let's take a look at how this formed live. So we have a little uptrend here, and then now we have encountering some selling pressure. The original trend was bearish, so this could be just a short-term pullback on the bullish side. However, we are not breaking any significant levels of resistance to continue to the further upside. And now we encounter our Gravestone Doji. So you can see when it opens very bullish and continues to be bullish as we create this big bullish green candle. However, this was a 60-minute candle. So in those 60 minutes, near the end of the time frame, now we encounter some selling pressure as it reaches that upper level of resistance. And this is what creates the upper wick on the Gravestone Doji, as sellers now enter the market and start pushing all of this bullish momentum down to where this candle closes, where it virtually opened. And then we are looking for additional bearish candlesticks to make lower lows and lower highs and reverse this uptrend. Now at the end of the candlestick, you can see now that big bullish green candle now turns into a Gravestone Doji, where we had all of that buying pressure push the price up. However, near the end of the time frame, we had selling pressure push it all the way down to where it opens. Now we are looking for additional bearish candlesticks like we have here, continuing to break levels of support, making lower lows and lower highs, where we can break our previous support level right there. And now we are looking for the bearish downtrend to continue. And this was all identified by the Gravestone Doji. A quick recap. The Gravestone Doji Candlestick, it is the opposite of the Dragonfly bullish doji candlestick. This is seen as an indecision candlestick with added confirmation. It is a momentum pause candle. The open and close are virtually equal. The candlestick looks like an upside down T. It's either found in areas of consolidation or areas of resistance where we have selling pressure. And it is a clue that sellers have taken control and have reversed a bullish uptrend to a bearish downtrend. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial on the Gravestone Doji Candlestick. And on our next tutorial, we will introduce the two candlestick pattern, the piercing line candlestick pattern.